Kiosks are growing in popularity across industries, demonstrating just how versatile and important they are to modern marketing. Here at Texgraff, we insist to assure our customers to have a hands-on experience when visiting our demo center. We introduced the 2 touchscreen monitors that allows you to design on the materials that you prefer and view it in 3D before printing on our machines. With Kiosk innovative software, you will have the advantage to design, view, explore, and move around the printed material in 3D like it was already made. Access the software from the touchscreen displayed in our demo center. Now choose the material you want to print on. You can either check the available designs from the software or upload the design from your phone by scanning the QR code. The Personalization software offers easy and user-friendly navigation, which makes it more accessible for our customers. Finally, your design is now ready to show on the material. It also allows you to edit or adjust it as you prefer. If you are already satisfied on how the print looks on your material, just hit the Buy button and the kiosk will automatically print a receipt. The SW is a cloud-based system from Web Marketplace as well. Now let's see how our printer will make your design. All-over printing is a great way to increase impact and impress your customers. Print with Mutoh XpertJet 1682WR. This 64 inches wide dye sublimation printer will deliver exceptional performance and great value to your business. Features speed and high-quality result in both 4-color and 8-color ink setup. Using KiwaJet textile inks, it offers dye sublimation inks that features quick dry, high ink transfer rate with highly pigmented vibrant colors and washability. Environmentally friendly, printing with high level of operator safety. Fit for both startups and established businesses wanting to extend their product portfolio. Press with XPRESS M110-70, an industrial model heat press that has been developed to obtain a higher productivity in sublimation transfer application. With TransJet dye sublimation papers, you can guarantee consistent color transfer with minimum ink consumption. Biggest advantage to oversized sublimation printing is its soft hand and vivid colors. This enhances the all-over effect by allowing for more uniform, consistent printing. What are you waiting for? Visit our demo center and experience this one-of-a-kind demo for decorating and printing on garments or textiles to start your own textile printing business. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at texgraff.com.